everyone, and welcome to another webinar by Royal Cyber. As always, I'm your host Amar, and today we'll be brushing on the topic IBM WebSphere Commerce and the new advanced features of version 8. Now, before we get started, let's talk a little bit about Royal Cyber and our global presences. We have presence in 8 countries and are growing. One of our headquarters are located in Chicago, Illinois, followed by UK, Canada, Mexico, South Africa, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and India. So if you have any questions in any continent of the world, you can revert to us at any head office. Now let's move on and let's talk about a little about us and the technology stacks that we have. We have a global client implementations and implementation 24 support maintenance provided as well. The thing that sets us apart with most IT companies is our effective on-site and offshore model, which eventually lowers cost of ownership. We are experts in enterprise mobility. We have multiple implementation experience. We also provide methodology and good practices. We have specialized industry verticals and add-on, and the highest level of competency in e-commerce. Moving forward, let's take a look at our service spectrum. Royal Cyber can help you from anywhere from implementation to migration to 24 hours support. If you require some performance tuning in your softwares, we can do that. And last but not the least, we provide excellent training forums as well. Moving forward, let's talk a little about us. In 2013, Royal Cyber was awarded the Beacon Award. Also in 2013, we have won the Impact Mobile Innovation Award. Also in 2013, the Best Smart Commerce Cell Award. And in 2014, we have won the Innovation in Enterprise Modernization and Development Awards, recognized everywhere. Now, before I start, I just want to talk a little about IBM WebSphere Commerce version 8. Version 8 comes loaded with many new features and upgrades. Management Center update to a new look and feel, a new customer service functionality enabling CSR to view exactly what customers see and perform key actions on behalf of the customers. IBM Commerce Insights providing a business analytical view, and many more upgrades and integration. WebSphere Commerce version 8 is loaded with many new features like never before. And as always, we have a great speaker with us. Now, before we start, I would like to introduce you to our speaker for today, Ms. Maitri Mishra. Ms. Maitri is a senior technical lead at Royal Cyber and has 8 years of experience in all phases of the project, such as planning, design, delivery of the project. She's an expert in WCS, Java, and J2EE. And without any further ado, let me hand it over to Ms. Maitri.
Thanks, Amar. Good afternoon, everyone. Before we get started, I have a quick word about this webcast. We are live and interactive today. We welcome your questions and feedback and urge you to take part as much as possible. We'll do our best to answer your questions during the question and answer session of the webinar. So let's start with the presentation. Before we move to WCS version 8, let's talk about WCS first. So WCS provides multi-channel commerce platform focusing on strong customer interaction. WCS can be used by small, medium, and large companies. WCS offers the ability to do business using B2C, B2B, and indirect business models. WCS personalizes the buyer's experience with web activities and dialogue activities, which increases revenue. We can create multi-brand sites on a single platform using the extended site model provided by WCS. WCS also provides easy-to-use tools like Management Center, and helps in capturing customer online behavior as it has integrations with analytics. WCS is available both on cloud and premise solution. The new capabilities added in WCS version 8 mainly focus on improved customer engagement options, latest updated application server and database connectivities, improvisation to incorporate WCS 7 feature pack capabilities, provides more streamlined packaging options, and allows the businesses to use the gift center capability in their physical stores without the purchase of additional license. Now, the highlights of the new features supported by WCS version 8. Starting with customer services. Now, WCS 8 offers enhancements to customer service capabilities. This enables a customer service representative or CSR to resolve common issues and help the customer capture orders. Now, a CSR can use the storefront to shop the same way as the customer. They can shop on behalf of the customer, help customers with account management, such as looking up a customer account for them or an order. CSR can also help customers with the order management. A CSR can manage a cart content or assist in checkout process. Now, the enhancements which are given in WCS 8 for Management Center. In WCS 8, Management Center has gone through a look and feel change. The new Management Center now uses dynamic HTML and Spring framework. The use of Flash and Open Large technology in Management Center is discontinued. This change enables the developer to make enhancement on Management Center easily and test the changes without compiling every time. Now, the next feature, Commerce Insights. Commerce Insights is a software as a service offering that empowers merchandiser, product managers, and marketers with the flexibility and agility to innovate quickly by leveraging business data and analytics in a combined view. Commerce Insight delivers the key performance metrics that are needed to make business decisions about the e-commerce store. Commerce Insights also helps you assemble interactive graphical displays to monitor the performance of the stores, categories, and products at a glance. With Commerce Insight, one can analyze how campaigns and product placement decisions are affecting conversion rates, sales, and their key performance indicators. Commerce Insight is a cloud-based solution that integrates with analytics and OMS to gather data. Now, moving on to the enhancements done in version 8. The enhancements done on the part of security. So, in version 7, SHA-1 was used by default, but in version 8, SHA-256 hash is used to encrypt sensitive data like user password. Now, moving on to the second point, that is use of HTTP only cookies. So, by using HTTP cookies, one can prevent cookies from being manipulated with JavaScript within the browser and reduce the possibility of cross-site scripting attacks and cookie theft. In version 8, HTTP only can be enabled for a session cookie manually, but in version 8, now this flag is set by default. The other enhancement done is for the batch jobs. Now there is no need to supply a password while running batch jobs. Instead, it will read the password from a password file. Now the performance related to enhancements. WCS version 8 with the new software stack that consists of WebSphere application version 8.55, JDK version 7, Solar 4.10, and DB2 version 10.5 has demonstrated over 30% performance improvement in comparison to version 7 running on the same hardware. There are specific page improvements which are even greater. Selected benchmark demonstrate up to a 70% improvement. DB2 version 10.5 provides increased data protection, scalability, better performance, faster backups, recovery, and automated database reorganization. WCS version 8 introduces two tuning profiles for performance tuning of the server. These two profiles are production and testing. These profiles focus on tuning parameters across WCS Commerce and Solar with specific focus on JVM and cache tunables. With the new Solar stack update, there is an improvement of 70% in keyword search. Now moving to the enhancements done for maintenance. WCS delivers two types of maintaining packages, fix packs and mod packs. A fix pack contains code fixes and security fixes. A mod pack contains new features, enhancements to existing features. A mod pack also contains most of the fixes that are available at the time of its release. Both types of maintenance packages are cumulative. A fix pack includes all previous fix packs, and a mod pack includes all previous mod packs. Now moving on to the troubleshooting assisting tools which are provided in WCS 8. New tools like performance measurement tool and Bluemix tools are added in WCS 8 to help diagnose or troubleshoot performance related issues. The performance management tool can be used to gather performance data on a running application. The tool can generate different reports which help to identify operations that impact performance and determine how to improve caching performance. Bluemix is a new suite of tools which can be used to diagnose overall health and performance of the site, run the diagnostics, and upload various metrics containing files to get a guided feedback and analysis that helps in understanding the site configuration and performance. This tool generates reports like Java Health Report, DB2 Health Report, and IBM HTTP Server Report. Now, the enhancements done to Commerce REST APIs. So REST APIs are now available for the complete checkout process. This allows other systems like content management, mobile app, order management, ERP to seamlessly integrate with WCS Commerce. Now moving on to product packages. Now WCS provides two editions. One, WebSphere Commerce Professional. WebSphere Commerce Professional package or edition is used for small scale or mid-sized companies to provide them support for B2C business model. This edition now supports extended site model, which was not supported in earlier versions. The second edition is WebSphere Commerce Enterprise. This edition is for large-scale companies using business-to-customer or business-to-business model. This edition allows brands to engage shoppers in a personalized and consistent way with merchandising tools, precision marketing, site search, customer experience, catalog and content management, and commerce capabilities. Now moving on to the features which are added via Modpacks. So we'll be looking at version 8, Modpack 1. The first feature which we have in this Modpack is Silverpop Transact integration with WCS Commerce. Silverpop Transact can be integrated with WebSphere Commerce so that transactional emails can be sent using Silverpop Transact. Silverpop Transact can help a business to send, cross-sell and upsell by dynamically recommending products or services in transactional messages. It helps in reviewing reports that are used in advanced tracking to gain insight in deliverability and performance of transactional emails. Integration with point of sale and receipt systems to monitor offline and online behavior of the customer. The next feature is added for CSR, which is CSR order comments. A customer service representative can add or view customer comments or specific orders on the storefront. Order comments can be viewed or added during the checkout flow or after the order is submitted. The next feature available in Modpack 1 is stage environment migration. Staging environments can now be migrated from WCS version 7 to WCS version 8 with minimal downtime. Version 7 Management Center customizations can also be migrated to version 8 using Management Center migration utility. Now moving on to features available in Modpack 2. In Modpack 2, enhancements are done only for IBM Commerce on Cloud. In this Modpack, store server architecture is introduced for IBM Commerce on Cloud. In this architecture, individual front-end stores are separated from the main WebSphere Commerce server and search server which they rely on. The store server consists of a lightweight JVM that separates the storefront presentation layer from the search and transactional backbone of IBM Commerce on Cloud solution. All store transactions, search queries, and user authentications are done through REST services with the WebSphere Commerce Server and Search Server. This architecture offers separated duties of web channel security and backend API and data security, as individual stores have no direct access to the database and they are communicating through securely REST services. This also offers separated, scalable and flexible Spring MVC store, as individual stores can be built and deployed, decommissioned, further customized or modified, and tested without any impact to the operation of the site. With Modpack 2, such can be deployed on a dedicated server or a cluster, fully decoupled from the transaction processing component of the store. As a result, a large number of complex search queries can run in parallel with the order processing with no degradation in response time. Now, with search deployed, a salesperson can create and manage search terms and merchandising rules within the management center. The next feature added in Modpack 2 is for Commerce Insight. Now, product sequence can be changed rapidly according to trends, seasons, colors, inventory, sales, low performers or high performers without leaving Commerce Insight. Now, moving on to the features provided by Modpack 3. With Modpack 3, now we can export category and product catalog data in CSV format using catalog export REST APIs. This enables us to use catalog data in a third-party application. WCS version 8 Modpack 3 also provides integration with Universal Behavior Exchange or UBX, which allows to import and export WebSphere Commerce customer segments as UBX audiences between third-party applications. Now, using Commerce Insight, now merchandisers can drag product to position them within a category. You can set up your products to automatically prioritize your goals by specifying one or more conditions to sequence your products. Intelligent sequencing gives the ability to explicitly position individual products to the top of the page. The next feature is easily manageable, searchable in-store attributes. With easily manage, searchable in-store front attributes, one can make attributes such as size, length, or color searchable within the storefront by tuning the searchable product attribute on or off in Management Center. In previous Commerce version, it was not possible to remove the searchable flag in storefront once the setting is turned as on. Now, in addition to earlier features, we have a small enhancement done in promotions too. Now, the maximum redemptions on a single order redemption limit can be applied to percentage off on an order, and amount off on an order, order level promotions, and category level, cat entry level promotions. There is also a minor enhancement done in data load utility. Now, the data load utility accepts an environment configuration file to be specified in command line. When specified, this file takes precedence over the element that exists in data load environment configuration file. Now, moving on to the features provided by Modpack 4. With Modpack 4, now we can integrate with Apple Pay with WCS. Apple Pay on web enables the customer to purchase products in the Aurora Starter Store with a single touch in Safari on Mac, iPhone, and iPad devices. Modpack 4 also includes Watson Content Hub integrations with WCS. Now, what is Watson Content Hub? Watson Content Hub is a SaaS-based solution which gives the business users the power to create iconic, robust, and consistent brand experiences using cloud-based cognitive content management capabilities. With Watson Content Hub, the business user can upload, organize digital assets, and also can use the image editing capabilities to crop, scale, and resize images. Watson Content Hub has cognitive capabilities to process images and recommend tags for searches. Benefits of integrating with Watson Content Hub includes centralized management of digital assets with rich DMA capabilities, efficient upload and management of assets grouped into content items like product images, category images, attachments, etc. It also allows seamless deployment of digital assets in staging and production environment. Now, with Modpack for installation, WCS can also be integrated with IBM TLeaf Customer Experience on Cloud. IBM TLeaf Customer Experience on Cloud is a software as a service analytics solution for web and mobile applications. By enabling this integration in all checkout pages, we can track and understand the shopper behavior. TLeaf comes configured with default reports, workspaces, and event to help you analyze the behavior of your online shoppers. But we can also build customized reports, workspace, and event. For example, we can build custom TLeaf events to track cart abandonment that is triggered by low product inventory or a promotion. Moving to the next feature. Modpack 4 also includes integration of WCS with dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing is again a cloud-based pricing system that analyzes real-time marketing data and provides suggestions on how to react to a competitor pricing and shifts in marketing condition. The benefits of this integrations are analyze and adjust product pricing with a minimal effort. It ensures that your store prices are always managed and optimized based on the pricing strategy for your store. We can schedule jobs that automatically push and pull pricing data between WebSphere Commerce and Dynamic Pricing system. So this concludes the new features that are available with WebSphere Commerce version 8. You can meet our sales team. The details are provided in the slide.
Thank you, Maitri. Thank you for the lovely presentation. And guys, once again, this is our global sales team for our IBM Smarter Commerce North America and Inside Sales and Marketing for IBM Smarter Commerce. If you guys want to get in touch with our VP and Managing Director, that is Mr. Huzaifa Kutubuddin and his credentials, and our e-commerce manager, Akhil Patania. If you guys have inquiries about any other product except for IBM Commerce, you guys can email us. You guys can get in touch with Preetham or Mr. Arif, who is the manager in marketing. Moving on, if you guys require a personal demo after this presentation that you would, do email us and let us know. You can find our credentials on the next slide if you guys are interested in the personal demo. Here is our front desk information. Feel free to reach out to us at info@royalcyber.com. For any technical support queries, kindly email us at support@royalcyber.com. For accounts and billing, if you're an existing client, do email us at billing@royalcyber.com. In the bottom here, we have our addresses to our headquarters and in every region. Once again, this has been Amar Nadeem and Maitri with another presentation by Royal Cyber on IBM WebSphere Commerce. Thank you guys and have a great day.